Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
But I hear you. Hey, be careful. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, you need some bread? I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good. Hey, open up, homie. Give me some room.
You want room? Go lose some weight with your fat ass. This meant to be your shit.
Please, homie.
Let's show these movie people how we roll.
Hey, watch out! Oh, we filming shit here, huh? Man, sorry about that.
We hang on the left.
Uh-huh.
Remember, this is Utarian's car.
Yeah.
Ha loco. Any ticket we get gon' go on that fool license.
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.